Hey guys, how's it going? Simon M here. Just wanted to talk today about different types of orders to place while placing a trade. In the past, I've only talked about market orders, and for the average person who's not trading with very much size, individuals or who are trading with less than $5,000 a trade, less than $5,000 market orders are fine to do. Unless it's a volatile day. And what I mean by a volatile day is when the price has moved in either direction more than 5%. And today it's less than 1%. So a market order of less than $5,000 should be fine for the average person who's trading with a smaller size. But if you're looking to be more specific or more laser focused with your entries and exits, then this is for you, or if you're trading with larger size. So, all right. So first, we'll talk about limit orders. All right. Let's say I wanted to buy a half a Bitcoin. Okay. So place 0.5. Let's say I want to do a half a Bitcoin order, and the limit price of 11,820. Okay, so that would mean that I don't want to pay more than 11,820, and since there's a lot of liquidity on the books for this order size, it'll get filled immediately, just like a market order would. So, yeah. But if I want to be more specific than that, I can obviously lower down, put the price down lower, call it 818. That would still, or get close to, that would almost get filled right there. Yeah. Yeah, that would still get filled. But all right, so on the sell side, same thing. If I had a half a Bitcoin I wanted to sell and I didn't want to sell it for less than 11,800, I place that order, the limit order, and then I place the sell order, hit that button to place it on the books. And so there's a larger order here. Someone's trying to buy $15 worth of Bitcoin, or a group of buyers, but it's gone now. So yeah, that's a little bit of why you want to do, or how to do this limit orders, and to show you why. Here's oh yeah, I forgot to mention, these are the order books. These red numbers are the sell side, sell orders, and these green numbers are the buy side, the buy orders. When two traders agree on price, a trade is executed, and these are executed trades over here. In the stock market, they call this level 2. So, and here's the spread between the buys and the asks. So these numbers right here are illustrated here in the depth chart. So yeah, you can see here, I'll start with a smaller amount. If I wanted to buy $100,000 worth of let's go higher. Call it $500,000 worth of Bitcoin. I'd get filled at a market order about 11,835, so about $15 above the market price. So, and then as you go higher, you can see that if you placed a market order of 3 million in this case, you would push the price up to 11,920, about that. So if you were buying that much. So the importance of limit orders, or even laddering or layering your orders with multiple limit orders, would be beneficial when you're trying to buy. And then same thing on the sell side, you just flip it. trying to sell $1 million worth of Bitcoin and you'd hit the market order, you would sell the price down all the way down to 11,810, and the market price right now currently 11,836. So I use limit orders more than anything. I only use market orders when I'm doing really less than $1,000 on a non-volatile day. So, okay, and now let's go to the last type of order here, stop orders. So these are just a more advanced type of limit order. And let's start with the buy order. Let's say I wanted to buy Bitcoin when it dropped to 11,500. So I'd put the $11,500 stop price, and that I wanted to buy a half a Bitcoin. And let's say I didn't want to buy when the stop order is triggered. When the price hits this level, it just puts in a limit order. And so let's say I don't want to pay more than $11,510. So I do that, and I just place it on the books and place my buy order. I'll say it again. If I just stop order when the price goes to 11,500, stop order is triggered for the amount of Bitcoin that desired. In this example, a half a Bitcoin, and then a limit order is placed at 11,500, and then I'll just place the buy order to place the order on the books. And then on the sell side, it's the same thing. Let's say I wanted to sell some Bitcoin at $12,000. In this example, I'll put half a Bitcoin so that when a stop order is triggered, I will get filled. It'll immediately set a stop limit or a limit order at $12,010. Sorry, at a limit order of up to $12,010, and that would be the dollar amount in cash in US dollars. So anyways, just want to give you guys an idea of how to do different orders on Coinbase Pro. There are definitely more advanced exchanges that have more advanced type of orders, but for the average person, this is sufficient. And like I said, I use limit orders more than anything, and these are great. So, but if you are a high net worth person or a business who trades with more or needs more liquidity, then I will definitely recommend using limit orders. And if you need more liquidity than that, then I will talk more in another video about how to trade with larger size, or move funds around with larger size. So either way, so thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any comments or questions, and put those in the comments below, and smash that like button. Thanks for watching.